there, hardworking peeps! So welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Russell and you are here at RJ's Vlog. So good news lang guys muna. So for today, we already reached 746 subscribers. So 1 month pa lang tayo dito kay YouTube and still malapit na tayong mag 1K sub. So if you're not subscribed yet sa ating channel, please consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button below. So hardworking peeps, today ang i-discuss natin is all about freelancing platforms. So kung ikaw ay freelancer, kung ikaw ay working at home, and if you are looking for job position na pwede mong pagkakitaan habang nasa bahay ka lang, I will be sharing with you 16 legit general platforms for freelancers. So if you want to see today's video, please stay tuned sa ating channel and I'll be showing you all the websites that you need to know. You can also hit the bell button for you to be updated when we upload new videos. And also guys, please follow me on social media platforms and also please do like our Facebook page, which is RJ's Vlog. So yun guys, start na tayo ng ating discussion for 16 legit websites for freelancers. So of course, yung pinaka-popular website na meron tayo is upwork.com. So you just need to type in upwork.com sa inyong web browser and then you will be routed here. All you need to do here is to sign up for you to create your account. And yung mga available jobs here are design and creative, web, mobile, and software development, writing, sales and marketing, admin support, customer service, data science and analytics, engineering, and architecture. So, more different jobs available dito kay Upwork. Medyo mahirap ma-approve for an account, but you can, just an advice, please make sure that you do a unique profile. So, a very unique profile for you to be approved dito kay Upwork. So, that's the first one. And the second one that we have, guys, is peopleperhour.com. So, you can type that in on your web browser and you will be routed to this page. So, all you need to do is click on the freelancer here. And then you need to create your account. So, a lot of jobs are available dito kay People per Hour din. So, as you can see, trusted by thousands of businesses globally. So, yan. Seen on the following. So, there. So, you can be a freelancer and look for different kind of job posts dito kay People per Hour. And then, the third website that we have is Fiverr.com or Fiverr.com, however you pronounce it. So, yan. We can click on sign up again. So once you're signed up, you can start looking for jobs like voiceover, translation, logo design, articles, and blog posts. So those are the popular jobs dito kay Fiverr.com. So the next website we have, so we're now at our fourth website. So we have guru.com. So you can type that in on your web browser again and then you will be routed to their page, and again you just need to sign up for this website to start looking for job position. There. So here are the available job positions kay guru.com. So more on programming development, writing and translation, design and art, administrative and secretarial, sales and marketing, business and finance, engineering and architecture, and for legal job posts. So yun yung meron dito. So let's move on to the next legit freelancing website, which is truelancer.com. Truelancer.com. So again, once you're here in their page, you just need to click on login or sign up. And then you need to create your account, Truelancer, to look for available job positions. So there. And then moving on to the next website, we have freeup.net. So you can apply as a freelancer. You can apply as a freelancer dito kay freeup.net to be able to find jobs available. The next website we have is freelancer.com. So guys, freelancer.com, you can browse for jobs. Click on browse jobs and then look for available positions that you'd like to. The next one we have, guys, is golance.com. So you just type that in your web browser and you will be routed to this page wherein again you can sign up for an account and look for available job positions. So the next one we have is onlinejobs.ph. So once you are here in their page, you can also sign up and look for available job posts. So they have a lot of available job posts. You can just click on I want a job in order for you to look for available jobs. Then we also have myoutdesk.ph. So once you're there with your website, you can also click on the apply now for online job. So you can start working as a virtual assistant, home-based online jobs, other home-based online jobs, and you can start working from home. So the next one we have is mturk.com or the Amazon Mechanical Turk. So you can visit the page as well and you can get started with Amazon Mechanical Turk for more available job position. And then the next website we have is zirk.com. So type that in your web browser and you will see their web page wherein you can register and look for available jobs here. So there. Here are the available jobs that they have. Then the next one we have is 199jobs.com. So you can type that in again. You can look for available job positions that they have once you have signed up for an account. Then the next platform we have is outsourcely.com. So here they also have different jobs available like design and multimedia, web development, mobile applications is also available, writing and content, administrative support, customer service, sales marketing, and business services. So once you have an account signed up or created here in this website, you can start looking for jobs that you'd like to have. Then we also have here hubstuff.com. So here in Hubstuff, you can create your account. Then once you have created your account, you can start looking for your jobs available here. The last one we have, for some reasons, it's not working. The website is currently down. So that's rocket.ph. It says here, the future of work has arrived in the Philippines, launching soon by Full Stack HQ. So for some reasons, they might be updating the website, so we will not be able to access it. And hardworking peeps, we have covered another video for today that will help a lot of people to apply for home-based jobs or to have an account with those kind of platforms that are legit. And just to set proper expectations, even though the websites are legit, syempre di pa rin natin may iwasan yung mga scammer na nakakapasok sa mga websites na yan. So, having that said, please be mindful then and please be aware of the job positions that you're applying for, because it's possible then that you might encounter scammers from those websites, and all you need to do is to validate it with yourself if it's legit or if it's not. And you can try registering for those websites para makahanap na kayo ng job positions. So there are a lot of job positions that you can find in there kasi general platforms tong mga shinare ko sa inyo. So technically, all home-based jobs are there. All you need to do is to create your profile, register, and then look for job post. So guys, yun lang yung video natin for today. Thank you for watching our video for today, Hardworking Tips. If hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa ating channel, please consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button below. You can also hit the bell button for you to be updated when we upload new videos. And also guys, please follow me on social media platforms, and also please do like our Facebook page, which is RJ's Vlog. And I'm hoping to see you guys in our next video. Bye for now!